This video shows you how to use native PowerPoint charts in a Qlik NPrinting report. PowerPoint charts can be populated with Qlik View or Qlik Sense data. You can use PowerPoint design features to customize them. First, we are going to create a new report in Qlik NPrinting. Give the report a title and then select PowerPoint from the Type drop-down menu. Select an app from the drop-down menu and then click Create. Click on the Edit Template button to start editing your PowerPoint report. Right-click on the table node and select Add Objects. In the Connection drop-down menu, select the connection from which you want to import your data. Then select one of the existing chart objects from the list. Click on the plus icon to expand the table's node. As you can see, Qlik NPrinting has imported the 3 data fields included in this Qlik View object. Now, in the PowerPoint template editor, click the Insert tab and then select Chart. In the window that opens, select the chart type. In this case, we want to use a bar chart and we select the stacked column type. An Excel window will open so you can populate the chart. Select the fields you want to import in Excel and then drag and drop them into the Excel file. Delete the empty columns and row in the Excel file so there will be no empty values in the chart. Now, click on the Preview button to see the result. As you can see, a stacked bar chart has been created with a column for each category. Each bar contains the sales result for 2013 in blue and 2014 in orange. Now we are going to change the chart style and colors. You can use any PowerPoint feature to customize the chart to suit your needs. Here is how the chart looks now. Let's add a title and a new slide to this chart. Now we are going to add sales by country as a table object. In this case, we select Pie Chart. Drag and drop them in the Excel file used to populate the PowerPoint chart. Remove the empty rows. Then we select a different design style and add a title to the pie chart. Click on the Preview button to see the new chart. And here you have the pie chart we just created, populated with data taken from the Qlik View object. Now we are going to add another table into our template editor. In this case, we select Sales Over Time. Add a new slide and insert a new chart. Choose a line chart with the 3D line option. Then, select the data to include in the line chart. We will use sales and gross profit as measures and year as dimension. Drag and drop them into the Excel file. Remove the unused rows and columns. When done, we select a different chart style for this line chart. Give it a title and run a preview to see the result. And here you have the final report containing a native stacked bar chart, a pie chart, and a 3D line chart populated with data taken from Qlik View. The process is the same if you are using Qlik Sense data. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.